Let's face it, folks, we all need water. It's the most essential element for our survival, and without it, life as we know it wouldn't exist. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, water plays a crucial role in our daily routines. Whether it's for drinking, cooking, or cleaning, water is indispensable. It's the essential ingredient for life, and these days, we're seeing a whole lot of it in bottles. Walk into any store and you'll find shelves lined with an array of bottled water options. From spring water to mineral water and even flavored varieties, the choices are endless. It's clear that bottled water has become a staple in our modern lives. Why? Well, bottled water offers convenience, portability, and sometimes it's the safest option available. Imagine you're out for a hike, or perhaps you're traveling in a place where the tap water quality is questionable. In such scenarios, having a bottle of water handy can be a real lifesaver. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about ensuring you have access to clean, safe drinking water wherever you are. Think about it. You're on the go, thirsty as heck, and there's a sealed bottle of water calling your name. It's a simple pleasure, but one that brings immense relief. The convenience of grabbing a bottle of water, knowing it's clean and ready to drink, is something we often take for granted, but in that moment, it's pure peace of mind. That's peace of mind right there. The feeling of taking a sip of cold, refreshing water when you're parched is incomparable. It's a small joy that can instantly lift your spirits and rejuvenate your body. And let's not forget the psychological comfort of knowing that the water you're drinking is safe and free from contaminants. Plus, in areas where tap water might not be the tastiest or safest bet, bottled water steps up to the plate. There are regions where the tap water has a distinct taste or odor, making it less appealing to drink. In such cases, bottled water provides a reliable alternative. It's not just about taste, it's about health and safety. Bottled water undergoes rigorous testing and quality control to ensure it meets safety standards. But have you ever stopped to think about how that water actually gets into the bottle? It's a process that involves precision, technology, and a lot of hard work. From sourcing the water to ensuring it remains uncontaminated, every step is meticulously planned and executed. The journey of bottled water from source to shelf is a fascinating one. It's a fascinating process, and today we're going behind the scenes at a water bottle factory to see how it all goes down. We'll explore the various stages of production, from the initial filtration to the final packaging. You'll get an inside look at the technology and expertise that go into delivering that perfect bottle of water to your hands. So, stay tuned as we dive into the world of bottled water production. Our journey begins with tiny plastic pellets resembling fish food more than bottles. These small, unassuming pieces are the foundation of something much larger and more useful. They might look insignificant now, but they hold the potential to become an essential part of our daily lives. These pellets are made of polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, a safe, recyclable plastic, perfect for food and beverages. PET is chosen for its strength, transparency, and ability to keep our drinks fresh. It's a material that has revolutionized the packaging industry, making it possible to store and transport liquids safely and efficiently. Now these pellets get fed into a machine that heats them up until they're like gooey molten lava. This process is crucial as it transforms the solid pellets into a malleable form that can be shaped into various products. The heat and pressure applied in this stage ensure that the plastic reaches the right consistency for molding. This hot plastic is then injected into molds shaped like test tubes. These molds are designed with precision to ensure that each perform is identical, maintaining consistency in the final product. The injection molding process is a marvel of engineering, allowing for mass production of uniform items. These test tubes are called preforms, and they're the building blocks of our water bottles. Each preform is carefully crafted to ensure it can be expanded into a full-sized bottle later in the process. They might not look like much now, but they are the first step in the bottle's journey. Think of them as bottles in their awkward teenage phase. Just like teenagers, they have a lot of growing and changing to do before they reach their final form. Workers inspect these preforms to ensure they meet quality standards, checking for any imperfections that could affect the final product. They're then cooled down and ready for the next stage of their transformation. Cooling is a critical step as it solidifies the preforms, making them stable enough to handle the next phase. Once cooled, these preforms are ready to be blown into the familiar bottle shape we all recognize. The journey from pellet to bottle is a fascinating process, showcasing the ingenuity and precision of modern manufacturing. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the water itself. Water used in bottling comes from various sources like springs, wells, or even municipal supplies. The important thing is, it goes through rigorous filtration systems to remove any impurities. We're talking about multiple layers of filters that trap sediment, chlorine, and any unwanted tastes or odors. This ensures that the water going into the bottles is clean, pure, and refreshing. Before any water meets its plastic home, those preforms go through a serious cleaning process. Imagine a superpowered dishwasher on steroids. The preforms are rinsed, blasted with hot air, and sterilized to ensure they're squeaky clean and ready for filling. Hygiene is key in the water bottling world. That's why everyone on the factory floor wears hairnets, gloves, and lab coats to prevent any contamination. Section 5. The fill-up, precision and speed. Now comes the main event, filling those bottles. The preforms are heated again, making them pliable. Then they're stretched and blown into their full bottle shape inside a mold. While still hot, they're immediately filled with the purified water. We're talking about a continuous stream of water, filling thousands of bottles per hour. The timing and pressure have to be perfect to get that consistent volume in each bottle. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance of water and plastic. Section 6. Capping it off. Sealing and freshness. Once the bottles are filled, it's time to seal in that freshness. Caps, usually made of polypropylene, are placed on the bottles and screwed on tight by a machine. This creates an airtight seal, ensuring that the water stays fresh and free from any outside contaminants. These machines are incredibly fast, capping hundreds of bottles per minute. It's a blur of motion, but every cap is perfectly placed and secured. Section 7. Label power, dressing up for the shelf. Now that our bottles are filled and capped, it's time to give them some personality. Labels are applied, displaying the brand, logo, and all the important information about the water inside. This isn't just about looks, folks. Labels tell you where the water comes from, when it was bottled, and how to recycle the bottle properly. Section 8. Quality control, guardians of good taste. Throughout the entire process, from pellets to packaging, quality control is a top priority. These folks are like the water police, making sure every single bottle meets the highest standards. They check for clarity, taste, odor, and even the weight of the filled bottles. If something's not right, they hit the brakes and fix it. This dedication to quality ensures that when you grab a bottle of water, you know you're getting a safe and refreshing drink. Section 9. A day in the life, the bottling crew. Today, we dive into the bustling world of the bottling crew, the unsung heroes behind every bottle of water you enjoy. These dedicated individuals work tirelessly to ensure that each bottle is filled, sealed, and ready for you to grab on the go. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the life of a water bottle. But let's take a closer look at the intricate process that transforms raw materials into the refreshing product we rely on daily. It all starts with tiny plastic pellets, which are melted and molded into the familiar bottle shape. From tiny pellets to perfectly packaged products, it's a fascinating journey that involves teamwork, technology, and a whole lot of attention to detail. The manufacturing process is a symphony of machinery and human effort, where precision and efficiency are paramount. Each step is meticulously monitored to ensure the highest quality standards are met. These factory workers keep the water flowing, making sure we have access to clean, refreshing hydration whenever we need it. They maintain and operate complex machinery, troubleshoot issues, and perform quality checks to ensure that every bottle meets strict safety and hygiene standards. Their expertise and dedication are crucial in delivering a product that is safe and enjoyable. So next time you grab a bottle of water, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and ingenuity that went into making it. Behind that simple act of hydration lies a sophisticated process and a team of skilled workers who take pride in their craft. Their efforts ensure that you can enjoy a convenient and reliable source of water, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it. The bottling crew often works in challenging conditions, dealing with the heat of the machinery and the constant need for cleanliness and safety. They don protective gear and follow strict protocols to keep the production line running smoothly and safely. And in this case, that someone is providing a vital service to communities all over the world. Their work ensures that people everywhere have access to clean, safe drinking water. It's a responsibility they take seriously, and their commitment makes a significant impact on public health and well-being. So here's to the bottling crew, the dedicated professionals who make sure we stay hydrated and healthy.